So, you want to get into real estate investing, but every time you look at property prices, your bank account starts to cry. The common myth: you need a mountain of cash to get started. But what if you could build a real estate portfolio with little or even no money out of pocket? It's not clickbait. Today, I'll show you how. We're breaking down 5 proven, beginner-friendly strategies that real investors use to get started. These methods require more hustle and creativity than cash. If you're ready to make your real estate dreams a reality without a massive down payment, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's start with house hacking, a strategy that lets you live for free while building wealth. Here's how it works. Buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent from your tenants covers your mortgage, taxes, and maybe even your insurance. Suddenly, your biggest expense, housing, is paid for by someone else. That frees up cash to save, invest, or pay down your mortgage faster. The best part? Because you're living there, you can use owner-occupant loans like FHA, with down payments as low as 3.5%. On a $400,000 fourplex, that's $14,000 down instead of $80,000. You're also gaining hands-on experience as a landlord, screening tenants, handling repairs, and managing property. Yes, you'll have to deal with the occasional late-night maintenance call, but the benefits far outweigh the hassles. Run the numbers carefully. Make sure the rents cover your expenses. After a year, you can move out, rent your unit, and repeat the process. This is how you scale from zero to financially free in just a few years. House hacking is the ultimate launchpad for new investors. It's not always easy, but it's one of the most powerful ways to get started. If you're willing to hustle, this strategy can change your financial future. Ready for the next method? Let's go. Next up, wholesaling. This is how you make money in real estate with almost no cash or credit. Your job: find undervalued, distressed properties, get them under contract, and assign that contract to another investor for a fee. You're the middleman, never owning the property, just selling the right to buy it. For example, contract a house for $150,000, assign it to a buyer for $160,000, and pocket the $10,000 difference. Your main investment is time and hustle, finding motivated sellers and building a list of cash buyers. Look for sellers facing foreclosure, divorce, or inherited properties. Network at real estate meetups and online forums to build your buyers list. Always be transparent. Let sellers know you're assigning the contract and use proper legal clauses to protect yourself. Wholesaling is about solving problems for sellers and investors and getting paid for it. It's fast, flexible, and a great way to build capital for future deals. If you can hustle and negotiate, wholesaling can be your entry point into real estate. Let's move on to another creative strategy. Seller financing, also called owner financing, lets you buy property without a bank. The seller acts as the lender. You make payments directly to them. Everything is negotiable: price, down payment, interest rate, and loan term. Some sellers will accept little or even zero down if you structure the deal right. Why would a seller agree? Maybe the property is hard to finance, or they want steady income instead of a lump sum. Look for sellers who own their property free and clear. Approach for sale by owner listings and ask if they'll consider financing. Offer a higher price or interest rate in exchange for a lower down payment. Always use a real estate attorney to draft the agreement and protect both parties. Seller financing is about creating a win-win, custom terms that help you buy with little cash. If you can negotiate and build trust, this strategy opens doors banks keep closed. Ready for another creative approach? Let's go. Lease options, also known as rent to own, let you control a property and profit from appreciation without owning it yet. You sign a lease to rent the property and an option to buy it later at a set price. Pay a small, non-refundable option fee, usually much less than a down payment. If the property value rises, you can buy at the original price or sell your option for a profit. You can even assign your lease option to a tenant buyer for a fee, pocketing the difference. If the market drops, you can walk away. Your risk is limited to the option fee. This strategy is perfect for those with limited cash or credit. Look for tired landlords or sellers struggling to sell. Offer them steady rent and a potential sale. They get relief, you get opportunity. Lease options give you time to improve your finances or wait for the market to rise. It's a low-risk, high-upside way to get started in real estate. If you want control without the burden of ownership, lease options are your ticket. Let's talk about scaling up with other people's money. Partnerships and joint ventures. This is how pros scale fast using other people's money. If you can find deals but lack cash, partner with someone who has money but no time or expertise. You do the work, finding, analyzing, and managing the deal. They provide the funds. Profits are split, often 50-50, after the money partner gets their investment back. Network at meetups, online, or even with friends and family looking for better returns. Present yourself as a pro, have a solid business plan, and know your numbers. Money partners invest in you as much as the deal, so build trust and expertise. Always use a legal agreement to spell out roles, profit splits, and exit strategies. Partnerships let you do bigger deals and grow your portfolio faster than you could alone. The key is preparation, transparency, and professionalism. If you can find deals and build relationships, you can leverage other people's money to achieve your goals. This is how you go from one deal a year to building real wealth. Let's wrap up with your next steps. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to start investing in real estate with little or no money. We covered house hacking, wholesaling, seller financing, lease options, and partnerships. The real barrier isn't cash, it's creativity, knowledge, and hustle. Before you jump in, do your research, learn from others, and consult professionals. Your education is your best investment. Never stop learning. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more real estate tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.